Hey, guess what? I got hiccups. So I thought I'd share that for a few minutes. As I'm wrapping up my day at work. Oh. Because I know I'm very thirsty. It's a whole thirsty thing. Holy Christ. Probably wondering what the heck I'm doing. I'm looking down. I'm working on something. Like, I should be packing up and going home, but then hiccups started while I'm in the middle of something. So I'm like, you know what? Take a few minutes. Let's do a hiccups video. I haven't had these in a while. Like, actually, the strong of hiccups. So there you go, hiccups fans. Holy Christ, hiccups. They come and go. Like, the frequency is interesting. Here's what it is. Thank God. Yeah, hiccups, hiccups. Oh my God. Well, today was interesting. Yeah, I'm doing my thing, doing the work thing. Work was busy-ish overall for the company. Me, I'm just here. Oh my goodness. Crazy hiccups. Crazy hiccups. Hey, we're almost 10 minutes. So in case you're catching this for the first time, I usually had hiccup videos on my other channel, but I decided to create a whole new channel last week for whole This Kitty Does Life. And this is life. Hey, I get hiccups. I'm trying to do something. I want to wrap up my day, but the hiccups have happened. So I'm like, hey, let's start recording. So I do get a lot of feedback on, hey, we missed the hiccups. Well, here we go. Of course, me talking suddenly helped. Or not. Good, powerful hiccup there. And once I wrap up what I'm doing, I am gonna wrap up the video. Because I got stuff to do, kids. I actually do. I'm looking at doing a vendor event tomorrow, so I gotta go home, get ready, look at stuff, look at the weather, because it's an outdoor event. Make a final decision tonight. Am I doing it or not? So, yeah. This is probably the longest hiccups I've ever had. As a video, anyway. Maybe not the longest ever. I don't really know. But now I got an idea this time around. It's like, how long have I got hiccups today? Oh, we're going on 12 minutes now. I think we might be hitting a pause in the hiccups soon, eh? What do you think? Okay, so 13-minute timestamp. Let's see how long until I have another hiccup. Or no hiccups. Because I might be good now. It was fun and all, and it's done. Well, happy summer, everyone. Any big plans? Me, I got lots of work to do of my business, not this business. Yeah, I'm sitting in my office. I figure, at the end of the day, do my hiccup video. And I'll probably be posting this when I get home, FYI. Not yet. Not until I get my butt home. So it won't be for a little while. Okay, I go home, see my fuzzy children. Because yes, I'm a dog mom. I love it. I love my fuzzy children. I miss them. I'm not allowed to bring them to work. That's a whole mess. I did once. I didn't go very well. So it's like, yeah, okay. But it's interesting. I'm the only employee who's not allowed to bring their dog. Go figure. Yeah. I can't really get into the about the work thing right now. Hey, we're over a minute. And there is no hiccups, but I'm just going to keep going because I'm in the mood to babble now. Now it's easier to talk without hiccup. Yeah, it's got a lot on my mind lately. Lots going on. Life. Hence the whole channel. Life. It's therapy for me because I'm trying to figure out my path, what I need, what I have access to, what can I do about certain situations. I mean, we're all in this together in one way or another, trying to figure out our path and what we're gonna do, what we want to do, the pros, the cons. It is a definite challenge that there's days I don't know what to do, you know? I think y'all can relate. one way or another. Yeah, I don't usually do videos this long. It's gonna take a while to upload later. Guess I should wrap it up soon, eh? Yeah, soon enough, friends. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up because all you hiccup people are gonna be like, where's the hiccups after the 13-minute mark? And now we've done 3.5 extra minutes of me babbling. Enjoy! We'll try again next time. Bye-bye.